Okay, hey guys. I'm gonna be showing you my game I made in C++ today. Um, yeah, that's all for today. I'm gonna build and run it. Okay, when you open the window, you see. Oh, oops. Please select a game type to begin playing. That window's a slide thing. It's a piece of shit. And the window is gonna look more pretty on the finished version. It's far from finished too. Game type and play now we'll be discussing later on, and custom font will be explained later. Now, go to options. File location shows you the location where your file is at. exe location shows you the location of your exe. Rex Studio's website shows you our website. It'll take you there through your browser. Now, I'm not sure what browsers it's going to work for because I actually haven't made that part yet. But I'll give you an update when I do it and I figure out which browsers it'll work for. Now, credit, this is all the beta testers we're going to have, and then me, the programmer and creator of the game. Now, what you do for credit is it'll say their name, their age, and what they did to contribute to the game. Then you can click on their name. It'll give you their name, then it'll say chosen description, it'll say their name, their age. I didn't really give my age again. I didn't really think it mattered. And then it'll give the description. Mine says Josh's chosen description, and then my description: Josh Franklin, C++, Lua, Java, HTML, HTML5, CSS, CSS3, JavaScript, PHP programmer, and a Roblox junkie. Oops, did it again. And just so you know, that picture is a face for Roblox I was working on, but it's derp, so. Anyway, that's all for the credit. You can do it on any of the names. Special thanks to Glut and OpenGL, Glut/OpenGL, they're the same company, I think. Well, not company, same program. And then Win32, and then Erklang. Erklang, I think you have to buy before you can actually sell your application with Erklang in it, so I might take Erklang out as the audio for this and use a different 3D audio library for C++. I might not use 3D audio, I might use 2D. Extras, Redx cursors. This is predefined cursors that we make. Redx Studios is my studio's name. We do need more people in it, but whatever. Anyway, Redx cursors will be cursors that I'll be making that you can use. Custom cursor, you can upload your own. And other cursors will be built-in code blocks ones, because I'll try to access system cursors and get those too. These ones work right now. Loading, all these work in here. The other two don't. This whole folder doesn't, but like I said, most of this isn't working right now. This is really just a plans, I guess. Cross, hand, but instructions. This extras, music. You can upload your own music or listen to our music. And really, this is just to make things quicker for, I guess, lazy people that don't want to go all the way into their folders and find their music and then play the one they want to listen to, or go all the way to YouTube or whatever they're listening to it on. They can just go to this, and there'll be a drop-down arrow. After you upload your music, there'll be a drop-down arrow. Actually, before, because there'll be our music, too. And you just pick which music file you want to play, you click it, and it'll play. The calculator, I don't know if there's going to be any math in the game. There's usually basic math in most games, but I don't know if I'll include any at all in this. And then custom font will be explained later. Instructions, this tells you how to use everything and how it works. And then this is info on the extras. This will tell you why we decided to include it and how to use it again. It's just extra instructions with commentary, I guess you could say. And then this is comments that I decide to add in while making the game. Kind of like a log, I guess. Now, you go to game type to start your game, then you pick command prompt text-based is just the command prompt, and then it's a text-based application, so you pretty much, it'll be like an old school text-based game, and Windows mode semi-graphics based is like a text-based Windows type of game, except pictures will pop up once in a while. I don't know what the story's going to be about yet. We've only picked the genre, I've only picked the genre, not the story yet. I'm actually just now getting started on the story. But pictures will pop up of whatever's happening in the story once in a while, and then Windows mode text-based is like a command prompt version. I mean, it's like a Windows version of the command prompt text-based. It's a Windows text-based. 2D mode and 3D mode are self-explanatory. This is supposed to be the most user-friendly game that you can get, hopefully. And you just pick your game type, command prompt. It'll say go from please select a game type to begin playing to command prompt text-based has been chosen. Now select to play your game or select a type. To change it, you just pick a different type. Windows mode, graphics based has been chosen, etc., etc. We're gonna go with command prompt because that's the only working one right now. Damn it. Now play. Okay, it says. Now, here's a few bugs that I need to fix. It says to play, type capital P and then LAY lowercase. You can type lowercase PLAY and uppercase PLAY, so I need to add that in there. And then it says, and press enter for details. And then it says press enter. And then for details at any time, type details / and then press enter. For instructions, type instruct / and that's another bug. It's supposed to be instructions / let's take a look at details and instructions. Details / this is a fantasy medieval RPG. You are currently playing the text version. The point of the game is to live your life and live your story until the very end. The game interacts to choices you make. Now, if we want to get rid of this so we can read instructions without all this text in the way, just type a random word. I'm going to add a clear function later on, so you can just clear the screen. But just type a random word and it'll clear everything except for your beginning instructions. I'll type G. And it says typing error, you've chosen an invalid choice of characters. To fix this, type one of the three options, play / instruction / or details /. Another bug is it's supposed to be PLAY without the /. So, but see, it clears it. And it still has the basic instructions. Let's go to instructions / to save the game at any point in time, type save / lowercase or capital save / to get back to the main Windows options. Menu, type escape, and then open parentheses 1 and then closing parentheses and then semicolon, and to close the whole program completely type ESC open parentheses and then 2 and then closing parentheses and then semicolon. And really that's just a pretty simple interface. We got 1 minute and then this is going to cut off and then I'll record it and show you the rest of the game, but let's clear this before we go. Okay, I'm going to get to the rest of the introduction. Okay, you're back, and now we can get to the gameplay, and we're just about through this video. Just type play, capital P or lowercase. Before we begin this adventurous text-based game, we need some things from the player you. Please input your name. It can be first name, last name, middle name, all three, or even a made-up name. Well, let's go with my name. Please enter your age. Using letters for your age may break the application. You will have to reload it. Okay, 19. Okay, please verify that your name is Josh Franklin, your age is 19, right? Let's type something wrong and see if this interface is ready for it. Let's type G again. I don't know why I like G so much today, but I do. Typing it. Oh, God dang it. You have picked an invalid choice of characters. You picked an invalid choice. Your choices are yes or no. Click OK. I'm half asleep right now. I'm sorry for slurring my words and saying them all wrong. But this one doesn't clear the screen. That's another bug that I need to fix. See, we've already found 5 or 6 bugs just by reviewing it, so I guess the videos are helping me out too. Now that's it. Let's say no and see what it does. What is your name? Josh Franklin. What is your age? 19. Please verify again that your name is Josh Franklin, your age is 19. Yes. You wait 3 seconds and then it says, now let's begin the story of Josh Franklin. And then the story begins, and I gotta think of the story and write it out and plan it out, so be waiting for the game. Our website will be up either next month or the month after that. I gotta find a good hosting place. I think that's all for now. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.